Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how I make these fried donuts, also called oliebollen in Dutch. These Dutch treats are mostly eaten during Christmas and New Year's. They pretty much resemble beignets. They're very easy to make, so in this video, I will show you how I make them. So for these, I used flour, milk, yeast, salt, an egg, raisins and currants, water, and oil. Start with soaking the raisins and currants. Set it aside and mix the salt and flour. In a different bowl, combine lukewarm milk and yeast. Allow it to sit for about 10 minutes. Mix it and add the egg. Mix it again. And now gradually add the flour. Drain the raisins and add them to the batter. Mix it again. Cover the bowl with a towel and allow the dough to rise in a warm place for about an hour. Okay, so the dough has risen, it is nice and bubbly, so we are going to fry it. Heat the oil over high heat. Scoop some of the dough and carefully drop it in the oil. Allow them to cook until they're golden brown. That took me about 10 to 12 minutes. And there you have it! A delicious snack which is perfect for this time of the year. You can eat it just like that, or you can add some powdered sugar. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys!